Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Ride, Lordstown Auto, and we're pretty low, under $6 a share, 5.45 it looks like currently. However, the stochastic has made a turn, and this is just kind of my quick indicators. So the stochastic's going higher, so that's a good sign. So that's a positive indication that this is time to buy the stock or do something. So I thought about buying the stock. It's going to tie up a lot of capital. So here is what I want to do. All right, I don't know if I want to buy a call. I don't know how high it's going to go in the next month. Let's go out a couple months here. Let's go out to maybe December. So 7.5 is $1. That seems kind of high. Okay, hold on. Let's look at the volatility. Implied volatility is huge. Oh, wow. Okay. So, maybe that's not the right way to go. Maybe the right way to go here is, let's go back to September. 36 cents. Doesn't seem like a lot, does it? 114% implied volatility. Okay, let's go to October. 66 cents. December? Wow, that's a long way out. It's like a leap. I don't know if I want to do a put leap. Alright. But, hey, the call doesn't look too terrible. That's pretty reasonable. It's almost as much as the stock, though. It's crazy. Hold on. What's my break even? 565. That's pretty good. But this one. 559. Oh. Okay, it's only going to take $159. Okay, I'm going to do this before it goes away. I'm going to do 2. Alright. I'm going to buy to open. And send. Okay, it looks like it filled. Okay, here it is in the account. Ride. I got two long calls at $5 for December. Man, I'm probably gonna look back at this and be like, man, I should have bought 200 of them, but that's okay. I don't want to put too much capital at risk. It's still kind of a long shot. Well, medium shot. Production issues are going into low rate production potentially. Hopefully they'll make some deliveries at some point and before December, and the stock will shoot back up to $10. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think of Ride, Lordstown Auto. I think they've had some difficulties, but they're overcoming those. Alright guys, if you want more wealth building techniques, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.